how to find live videos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find live videos on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, one click, and here you can see this one here, live videos. Click on it, and as you see here you can watch live videos on Facebook Lite, and that's how to find live videos on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.